can't swim.
Fuck, are you drowning?
Why is it upside down?
I don't know how to turn it. Anyway, guys, in today's episode, we're gonna try to blow this thing up.
Look, we got a floaty. We're driving to the beach.
Bang into the room!
Hey guys, we're at the beach now. Put your stuff on the sand.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Alright, guys, me and Dawn are gonna get in the water now.
Yeah.
Oh!
Just go through. Just put it over your head. What a stupid son of a... Just put it through your head.
Okay.
A big bag. Can't see anything.
Me neither. Okay, guys, I'm ready.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Guys, watch me. Oh my god, I can't feel the ground, guys. Oh, never mind, I feel it.
Grab the... Pull me.
What the hell? Fish? Oh my god. The beach got me fucked up. There's Troy. Guys, we're swimming. We're about to get our food. Here. Hi guys.
Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
You're making me laugh. I can't swim.
This is not Sanrio. This is Shinrio.
God, I bet your hot's on that big skirt, bro.
Ew, what the hell? Troy.
Okay, who's that fine shite, bro? Who's that fine shite?
Guys, they are not fine. Guys.
Mama, a girl behind you. Mama, a girl. Mama, a baddie behind you.
Can you stop it? My goodness, guys. This is what I have to deal with.
Okay, bash the fuck that ass, bitch. No.
Guess what we're gonna eat?
Onika equals 8. 8 equals, bro. She equals Onika. 8 equals burgers.
What the fuck?
What I do?
Guys, something,
What I do?
guys.
What I do?
Guys!
Get the fuck out of here. Fuck, are you drowning? What the fuck?